How to find unavailable tracks settings on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find unavailable tracks settings on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer, and here you will find this settings icon here in the top corner. And now just scroll down until you find explicit content, this one, and then click on it. And here you will find this one, hide tracks available in your country. Now all you need to do, you can disable it or enable it, just like that, easy. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.